ZWCAD 2025 has enhanced GIS function. Let's check it out. We can assign a coordinate system to the drawing. The dialog box has filter parameters and a search bar, so you can easily find your coordinates. And you can select your current drawing unit to have coordinate and drawing units matched. You can input a URL to link your map service. Then, you can check your design with a geographical map underlay. You can set your coordinates display as absolute or geographic. Besides linking your map service by URL, you can also add maps from ZWCAD, which provides various map services, including Bing Map and ArcGIS Map. Different map services have different coordinates. You can see there is an offset between the drawing and Bing Map, which was newly added. Find a location point on the map. Check the latitude and longitude coordinates. Edit the map location with the latitude and longitude coordinates of the location point. Find the corresponding location point on the drawing as the insertion point, and specify the north angle. Now, the drawing and the map are perfectly matched. You can snap the project area as a geomap image to save time on map refreshes. In this version, you can assign a coordinate system to your drawing easier, import more map services, and match your map with the drawing perfectly. Interested in it? Download ZWCAD 2025 and have a try.